Dealing with the Libopenmpt Module Tracker Library DLL error in OpenMPT Project app. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Let's look at the engineering steps I've prepared to fix it. To start our troubleshooting for Libopenmpt Module Tracker Library, you can follow my manual steps or use a utility for a clean environment review. This is the Libopenmpt Module Tracker Library, the core library for the OpenModPlug Tracker engine. It provides the high-fidelity playback logic for tracked music formats, MOD, XM, IT. It is a common dependency for retro games and indie titles. If missing, the game engine will report audio device initialization failed, or will launch without background music. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. A missing Libopenmpt Module Tracker Library DLL usually suggests that a failed update removed a critical piece of the OpenMPT project integration, so reinstalling the latest version of your software, where the error was shown, will automatically restore the library and update the registry links. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Libopenmpt Module Tracker Library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Protect your digital environment by ignoring unofficial download links for Libopenmpt Module Tracker Library DLL that could lead to identity theft or the permanent loss of sensitive project files. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. The repair utility linked in the description provides structured information on managing Libopenmpt Module Tracker Library and system health. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for Libopenmpt Module Tracker Library, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.